All right, so if you want to get into window tinting but you don't know where to start, let's just start with tools. This video is for all you beginners out there who don't know where to start, how to get started, what do you need. This is the basic setup to get started. So here you go. This is everything you need to tint pretty much 98% of cars out there. Basic pouch. This is like less is more for me. So I've been doing this for about 14 years, and I feel this is a good set of tools for beginners to kind of start on the right path and having a nice solid foundation of tools so you never run into anything that you can't handle out there on the field. So this is probably about $300 to $400 depending on the quality heat gun that you go with. And this is the first episode of many episodes for beginners that I'll be doing. I actually made this video a few years ago and decided to kind of release it now. I think it's time. It's time to let it go. Give back to the community out there. All right, so this heat gun is the cheapest heat gun that you can go with. It's $26. And here are your pouch tools to keep in your pouch pretty much at all times to kind of squeegee outdoors, little quarter windows. You have your knife to make your patterns. And then here is what we call an easy reach lime. This is kind of used to I use it to open up gaskets, make space, which I'll be showing you what the tools, what the names are and kind of how we use them. Kind of use that to open gaskets and leverage window seals. Here's the tri-edge, extra large. They also sell these in minis in different colors. Different colors are different hardness. I use this to squeegee out water from the gaskets or end window seals, as you can see here. You got to keep it sanded so it doesn't scratch. Here is one of my favorite hard cards, the wet edge. It's actually a vinyl tool, but I use it to shrink film, like windshields like this Model X, side doors. I use it to set up film to get shrunk, which I'll do a video on. And here is the little chiseler. I don't really use this tool, but when I started, I did use it just to kind of touch up stuff. Here is a turbo squeegee. Basically, you use this to squeegee out any like little glass, kind of like what you see here. And the red dot is your sculpting blade. This is what you would cut out your patterns with. And it's a 9mm blade. Always use stainless steel blades, Olfa knives. And your prep blades, always use them stainless steel. Doesn't have to be gems, but as long as they're stainless, you'll be fine. Here are your back window reach tools. Everything you need to squeegee out back windows and windshields. This is what you would need. Here is my favorite squeegee, the Fusion handle. It's kind of easy to grip. It's nice on your hand. You would use this basically squeegee out side doors, back windows, front windshields. Some guys like to use turbo squeegees for side doors. Here is the Unger 6-inch channel squeegee. I basically use this to squeegee glass right before installation. So once you prep a glass, this would squeegee what you've cleaned and then you install. This is the Stroke Doctor. This is the squeegee out back windows, front windshields, as you can see here. Gives you another point of leverage. This is the tri-edge, the reach. You don't really need this tool, but it is nice to have for those deep back windows. And it gives you a different leverage point, because back windows, you really want to squeegee them out thoroughly. This is a Titan. Again, kind of the same as the reach, but just gives you a different leverage point to kind of squeegee out those back windows and front windshields. Different back windows have different spaces. Here is the bulldozer. This is what you use to squeegee out behind third brake lights. If you're always wondering, man, that's a deep brake light, how do you squeegee this out? This is the main tool for that. You can also use it on windshields. So here's the scrubber. We use this to prep back windows. Gives you long enough reach to kind of get back in those deep back windows, scrubby behind third brake lights. It's an essential tool to have. As you can see, that's how we use it. This tool is, you don't really need it, but it's nice to have. Here's the slim foot. This is a really good tool for back windows. Usually you put a towel over that and kind of catch water. These are basic door panel tools that you can get. The hook tool is essential to have. Here is the best website to get a hold of all these tools that you'll need. 44 Tools. It's an awesome place to get what you need in one place. No cheap quality Amazon tools. They have the professional grade tools that you would need. They also sell beginner tool sets, intermediate tool sets, pro tool sets. If you don't want to go with my recommendations, they have everything you need here. They sell pressure tanks. They also sell film. It's a nice website to go to. They also, they'll have sales. They're very nice people over there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you in your journey on tinting windows. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.